Artificial intelligence is transforming YouTube faster than ever before.
Welcome to AI Pulse, where technology is made simple.
Today, creators can automate nearly every part of the content creation process.
The journey begins with content research. AI analyzes search trends, audience interests, and viral topics to suggest high-performing video ideas in seconds.
Once you choose a topic, AI can generate a complete YouTube script with a compelling hook, structured content, and a strong call to action in just a few seconds.
Modern AI voice technology produces natural, human-like narration that sounds professional without recording your own voice.
AI can also design eye-catching thumbnails that improve click-through rates and help attract more viewers.
Next, AI optimizes your video's SEO by creating searchable titles, descriptions, tags, and keywords.
Once everything is ready, AI can organize your upload, generate captions, and schedule the best publishing time.
After publishing, AI analyzes your performance and identifies what helps your channel grow faster. From idea generation to analytics, AI can streamline your YouTube workflow, helping you create faster while maintaining consistent quality. AI automatically finds matching B-roll footage, helping your videos look more professional without hours of searching. Accurate subtitles improve viewer engagement and make your content accessible to a wider audience. AI can automatically remove silence, improve pacing, and create a smoother viewing experience. With a single click, AI enhances your voice, reduces background noise, and delivers studio-quality audio.
AI also creates motion graphics that keep viewers engaged while making complex ideas easier to understand. Boost your content with intelligent design.
One long video can instantly become multiple short-form videos for every major platform. AI studies your audience and recommends the best time to publish for maximum reach.
Some AI tools can even predict your video's performance before it goes live.
After publishing, AI monitors every important metric and identifies opportunities to improve future videos.
By combining these AI tools, creators can save time, stay consistent, and focus more on creating valuable content.
AI can generate multiple high-click thumbnails in seconds, helping you attract more viewers before they even watch your video.
AI analyzes search intent and recommends titles that are optimized for both search rankings and click-through rates. AI also writes detailed descriptions that improve discoverability while saving valuable production time. Smart keyword research helps your content reach the right audience and improves your chances of ranking higher. AI reveals who is watching your videos and what keeps them engaged the longest. By analyzing viewer behavior, AI identifies exactly where your videos can be improved. AI continuously recommends your next videos based on audience demand and current trends. AI doesn't replace creativity. It removes repetitive work, giving creators more time to focus on ideas that truly matter. From the first idea to post-publication analytics, AI can automate nearly every step of your YouTube workflow. AI compares successful channels, identifies trends, and reveals content opportunities that can help you grow faster. AI instantly translates your content into multiple languages, making your videos accessible to audiences around the world.
Advanced AI can generate realistic voiceovers in multiple languages while maintaining natural speech and timing.
With multilingual content, your channel can reach viewers across the globe without creating separate videos. Drive your global growth. AI organizes your publishing schedule and helps maintain a consistent upload routine. AI keeps your branding consistent, creating a professional identity that viewers instantly recognize. AI helps manage your community by organizing comments, filtering spam, and suggesting professional responses. Machine learning predicts what your audience wants to watch next, helping you stay ahead of trends. Every part of your YouTube workflow can work together as one intelligent AI-powered system. By combining automation with creativity, AI helps creators produce higher quality content in less time while reaching more viewers. AI can automatically turn one long video into multiple YouTube shorts, helping you reach a wider audience with minimal effort. AI compares multiple thumbnail designs and predicts which version is most likely to earn more clicks. AI helps detect possible copyright issues before publishing, reducing the risk of claims and content restrictions.
AI helps you understand revenue trends and identify which content generates the strongest financial results.
AI can organize affiliate links and monitor their performance, making it easier to manage additional income sources. AI streamlines sponsorship management by organizing communication, schedules, and partnership details. AI analyzes channel performance and forecasts future growth based on current publishing patterns and audience behavior.
The future of content creation is becoming more intelligent, with AI assisting creators at every stage of production.
By integrating AI across your workflow, you can save time, stay organized, and focus more on creating valuable content.
With the right AI tools and your creativity, building a successful YouTube channel becomes faster, smarter, and more efficient than ever before. Thanks for watching AI Pulse. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, subscribe, turn on notifications, and share this video. See you in the next one.